Mantle. Earth crust is the mantle that is made up of grains or rock. The mantle is about 1,900 kilometers thick. It is not completely solid like the crust. Instead, it consists of semi-solid rocks. The Earth gets very hot as you get nearer to its core. The mantle is thus heated up as it is right next to the core. As a result of convection, currents are formed in the mantle. These currents flow from the lower part of the mantle and move upwards. As they move upwards towards the crust, they cool down. As they
Thank
cool
you.
down,
That's it, Aisha. Thank you. Zunaira, do you have the book with you? Start reading, beta.
As they cool, they flow horizontally along the bottom of the crust and then downwards towards the bottom of the mantle. In moving downwards, the currents are heated up again and they move upwards. These currents help to move the plates. They broke pieces of the Earth's crust.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Mehak, can you reread this paragraph? Mantle. Zen, be attentive. मैं आपको कभी भी कह दूंगी, आप रीडिंग करना शुरू कर दीजिएगा.
Below
Yes,
the
ma'am.
crust is the mantle that is made up of denser rock. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick. It is not completely solid like the crust. Instead, it consists of semi-liquid rocks. The earth gets very hot as you get nearer to its core. The mantle is thus heated up as it is right next to the core. As a result, convection currents are
That's it.
formed in the
That's it.
mantle.
Thank you. Thank you, Mehak. Yes, Zen.
These currents flow from the lower part of the mantle and move upwards. As they move upwards towards the crust, they cool down. As they cool, they flow horizontally along the bottom of the crust and then downwards towards the bottom of the mantle. In moving downwards, the currents are heated and up again and they move upwards. These currents help move the plates, the broken piece of the earth's crust.
The broken pieces of the earth's crust. Okay, thank you. So mantle. What is the mantle made up of? Semi-solid rocks. Okay. Crust जो है that is purely solid. It's not semi-solid क्योंकि crust is that thing जिसमें हम चलते हैं. Semi-solid तो नहीं है ना, उसमें हम easily, it's very rigid. ठीक है. So the crust and below the crust is the mantle. Mantle is made up of semi-solid rock. It's not purely solid. Okay. And it is about 2,900 kilometer thick. ठीक है. अगर हम जमीन में ड्रिल करना शुरू कर दें तो 70 किलोमीटर के बाद नीचे जाते जाएं तो 2,900 किलोमीटर तक जितना भी एरिया है दैट इज ऑल मेंटल. सफा, आर यू अटेंटिव बेटा? Yes, Safa, are you with us? Can you tell me the thickness of mantle? और सफा गायब हो गई. जी सफा, quickly beta, write the thickness of the mantle in the chat box. Safa, only Safa have to give me the answer. Write in the chat box the thickness of the mantle. Okay. So I need this answer from Safa only. Okay. जब तक Safa answer लिखती हैं, we will proceed with the mental. Okay. Now the earths get very hot as you go deep down. ठीक है. कोर में ये बताया गया है कि कोर का टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई है. तो जब टेम्परेचर किसी जगह का हाई होता है, व्हेन वी मूव नियर टू दैट प्लेस और दैट एरिया, तो वहां उसके सराउंडिंग में भी हीट होती है. आपने कभी किसी ने जो है वो चूल्हे पे जो आग जल रही होती है या वैसे ही बॉन फायर अगर की हो तो उसमें आपने फायर के आसपास देखा होगा, सिर्फ फायर ही नहीं उसके आसपास का बहुत सारा एरिया जो है वहां पर भी हीट फील होती है काफी दूर तक. किसी ने किया है कभी सर्दियों में लकड़ियां जलाकर किया है? ठीक है. सो दैट इज द एक्सपीरियंस. चलो एटलीस्ट इन बच्चों ने ये तो किया हुआ है. ओके. सो जब जो है व्हेन इफ यू मूव डीप डाउन टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ, द कोर इज हैविंग अ temperature, it's having very high temperature. Okay, now mantle is semi-solid, made up of semi-solid rock, and when we move, the earth gets very hot as you get near to its core, and the mantle is thus heated because the mantle is near to the core. ठीक है, so core का जो temperature है, due to that temperature mantle में जो है वो convection current होता है. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक द बॉइलिंग वाटर, जैसे वाटर जो है वो हीट के करीब अगर हम पानी रखते हैं बॉईल करने के लिए, तो क्या होता है उसमें पहले बबल्स बनते हैं, फिर आहिस्ता 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 उसमें जो है वो पूरा पानी बॉईल होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो व्हाट हैपेंस, द सेम थिंग हैपेंस इन द mantle, that due to the temperature of the core, okay, the semi solid material of the mantle, it gets heat up, and it's the currents formed over there. These are the, you can say, the heated current, or the thing which is there, it gets heated. Okay, and due to that heat, that current move upward. When it moves upward towards the crust, अब crust का जो है temperature वो इतना high नहीं है as compared to the core, right? So when it moves upward towards the crust, वो ठंडा हो जाता है, it cools down, and it started to floating horizontally and then again downwards. So when it cools down, it move again downwards. Okay, जब वो downwards वो current आता है, then again the heat is there of the core, and again it is heated and it moves upward. So it's a continuous process due to the temperature of the heat of the core. जो मेंटल में जो भी चीज है, that it moves upward, वो heat up हो जाता है, it moves upward, and when it moves upward, the temperature is low in the crust, it cool downs, it moves horizontally, and again it goes downwards. ठीक है, so it's the process of the convection current. और सफा, मुझे आपके पास से अभी तक मैसेज नहीं आया है बेटा. सफा अदील, kindly unmute yourself बेटा. सफा, do you have the book with you, Safa? ठीक है. Now, so as it cooled down, they flow horizontally along the bottom of the crust and then downwards again to the bottom of the mantle. Now, these movements, in moving downward, these currents are heated up again and they move again upward. These currents help to move due to the vibration, or due to the all of this process, this current, they move the plates. Okay, कौन सी plates? Again, those oceanic plates and the continental plates. So हम ये कह सकते हैं that oceanic and continental plates moved due to these convection currents. Clear? Any confusion up till now? Give me a thumbs up if you understood everything. ठीक है, अच्छा जी. Okay, now I'm giving you 1 minute. Okay, 1 to 2 minutes. अब तक हमने चैप्टर में जो चीजें भी पढ़ी हैं, right, you have to share the points from that, from the starting till this page of the mental. Clear? ठीक है बेटा, giving you 2 minutes, और 2 minutes के बाद I'm going to take the points from your side.